Pandas read_CSV Skiprows, determine rows to skip. Below is a CSV snippet with some dummy headers while the actual frame anchored by Beerid. This df equals pd.read_CSV path_CSV, header equals 8, code works, but the issue is that header is not always innate depending on a day. Cannot figure out how to use lambda from helpers in. Skiprows, list like or integer or callable, default none line numbers to skip, 0 indexed, or number of lines to skip, int, at the start of the file. If callable, the callable function will be evaluated against the row indices, returning true if the row should be skipped and false otherwise. An example of a valid callable argument would be lambda x, x in, 0, 2. Define the index row of Beerid.
I think need pre-processing first.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.